Modify this Linksys 1500 N router, and it looks like this. And it has, it just has all that. It's gonna look like that. It's just not working right. It's overheating, and it's causing all kinds of problems, And yeah, we're about to modify it to where it gets some better heat dissipation on those processors in there. So we're about to try that and see what we got. Here's the Broadcom chip that needs to have a heatsink along with these other chips on here. So what we're going to do is show you what it looks like on the inside. And then now we're going to modify this thing. Here's the heat sinks I'm going to put on them. Right here. Need at least one of them. And this is what it looks like right here. Alright, it's going to go like right here on this Broadcom chip. If it don't fit, then I'll just modify it later. So it looks like that'll fit. Look at that. God, I hate Phillips heads. They strip and they're crap nowadays. I love the Torx. Slotted screws are just as bad. I like Torx. Alright, we're done here. Now we gotta put this bottom on, and here we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Well, it seems like it works pretty good. Seems like I hadn't had any disconnects, and I've been using it for a day now, so it was acting up really bad where like it would just shut off. It just wouldn't even get on the internet. And I think I managed to got that working now with those heat sinks. I think they make a major difference. It's pretty sad when the router companies did not put heat sinks on those processors, and they put warranty void stickers in them. And yeah, like people are gonna do it anyway. I sure as hell will. And yeah, that's it for that. Now, if I get any more problems with a couple of days from now, I'll make a part 2 to this video. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day.